Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can customize and rearrange the accessibility shortcut on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. Next, scroll down and then tap on accessibility shortcut. Then in here, you have the options to add or remove the menu items or the functions to the shortcut menu. So here we got detection mode. If you want to add detection mode to the menu, you can select that. To remove it from the menu, you can deselect the menu item. Now to rearrange the item, so let's say if you want background sound to be at the top, you can touch and hold on the three horizontal lines on the right hand side. So touch and hold onto that, then drag it up or down, and this will allow you to arrange the menu items for your accessibility shortcut. Now if I turn on, you can see now background sounds, menu item should be the first one. So we got background sounds as the first item in the menu. So I'm going to cancel that. Now if I want to bring assistive touch back up to the top, I can touch and hold on that and then drag it up to the top and let go. And now you can see in my menu, assistive touch has now been moved to the top. So you can continue to rearrange all the menu items as you like. And any items that you want to turn on or switch off, you can tap on the items, on the menu items to have it checked, or to deselect them. Just uncheck it and that will be removed from the menu items. Sorry, so I need to triple click on that. 1, 2, 3, and this will add all the menus, all the selected items to the menu. And that's it. And that is how you can rearrange your accessibility shortcuts on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.